Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhamad Naufal Hibatullah from Bachelor Degree First Grade. In this occasion, I would like to explain about how to make lemons and cucumber water infuse. Okay everyone, I have prepared all of the ingredients and materials that we will use. There are 2 lemons, 2 cucumber, a Tupperware and a knife for cutting the ingredients later. Step 1. Prepare 2 lemons and a cucumber. Wash it until clean.
Yeah, boy.
Step 2. Cut some lemons and remove the seeds. Step 3. Prepare 1 liter of boiled water in any container. Step 4. Add the whole lemon slice to the water. Step 5. You can add cucumber slice, mint leaves, or other fruit for flavor. Step 6. Then let lemon in the water for at least 1 hour and a maximum of 4 hours. You can put it in the refrigerator to make it freezer.
2 hours later.
Like a river, like a river, like a river, like a river.
Step 7. After 1 hour, the infused water will taste sour, which means the infused water is ready to drink, and the method of making lemons and cucumber infused water is complete. Okay, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.